Hello everyone, welcome to Super Reviews. Today I want to specifically talk about online nursery platform called Budsnblush. If anyone of you are thinking to buy plants online, you need to see this video. I tried to attach the maximum number of photos I can find from the orders they have done. I had lost my phone, which had more videos and photos of these brushes, but I could only find these through my backup in WhatsApp, which I have sent to them, and which I had synced up in Google Photos. These photos are enough. I'm a plant enthusiast, and I had to buy a lot of plants in local nurseries. When I was searching for exotic plants at affordable price, I came across Pots and Blush, and I had spent approximately 12,000 rupees to order multiple orders from them. Now I'm not ordering, though I will never order in my life again. But I want to give you my experience in ordering with them and how these people like fraud you when you buy from them. For example, all the plants that you see photos here are arrived like this in the package. Just imagine they send you this kind of unhealthy plants. And the problem with them is they ask you to keep it for the next 7 days so that if there is any life visible, they don't need to replace it. And I'm pretty sure such an unhealthy plant, it's very hard for them to survive. Even though if they survive, they won't grow. Okay, this they don't understand, and if they understand also, they don't care about it. Only thing is, if they are dead on arrival, they will replace you. Or you need to wait for 4 days to make sure that the plant is completely dead. Even though it has arrived dead, they don't care. You need to wait for 7 more days, and they will again send a batch of plant, which is again unhealthy plant. And their excuses are every time lame. And these multiple orders of mine within a short period, without realizing that they're going to send me this kind of terms, I had ordered exotic plants, really which are expensive, which are like almost like for me 2000 rupees for a single plant, which comes with no pot, just with roots. I has to order, and it doesn't survive for 2 months or 3 months is pathetic. And these people excuse every time is that, oh, here the weather is not good, or it has rain here, there is too much humidity, that's why the plants are like this. The question is they don't care about which plant they're sending. They're just sending very weak sample which will not survive in any case, and they don't give you clear instructions. It's basically like, okay, we are giving you a plant that doesn't exist in Indian nurseries, just take it. Like, what you're complaining about? Yes, like you has to complain. Like when you're giving, at least give a healthy sample. You're not giving a complete plant. If you see in the website, they literally mention that the plant they're sending is 1 year old. It's not even 1 week old. You just took out a sample, it rooted, and you're giving it. The ZZs are literally the hardest plant to kill, but Bird and Blush can kill it in the transport. So I can't say anything. It's even damaged from them. The photos literally, if you see, they're not damaged in transit. That's how the plant is growing with them. So I have no words. I'm not going to buy from them. If even they connect with me to give from plants, I don't want it. It has come to extent that if you buy from Birds and Blush, it's going to be a disaster. So if anybody thinking to buy, try to avoid it. Go to your local nursery. Choose a plant. You don't need to have an exotic plant which will die in a week. You don't need it. Hope you guys understood what I'm trying to convey here. Try to avoid this website and go for local nursery when you will support them and you will know what plant you are getting. Thank you guys. Bye bye.